Hi everybody, I'm here to do a review slash first impression slash what's in my bag for this beautiful item right here. This is the Chanel 19 flap in the small size, which is actually just called the flap, and then there's the large, which is what I used to call medium. It's just the sizing's kind of confusing, but this is the smallest size that it comes with. This is the 10-inch, but 10.2 inches in the base, in the black goat skin leather, gold hardware right there, and it's the mixed hardware. So beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna do the what's in my bag first, and then I'll talk about the bag in overall. So this is what it looks like. In the back pocket right here, I have my lip liner, which is what I'm wearing right now. It's called Prune. It's from L'Oreal Color Riche line. And I have, which is probably worn out now, Divine Wine. This is also, I think, by L'Oreal. Yes. I honestly just bought it because it's called Divine and that's my name. So I have that. And then I have my eyeglass wipes and a FedEx receipt. And then this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz eyebrow pencil from Christina, who actually sold me this bag, and she's a personal shopper. Okay, now opening the flap, I have a pack of gum. I have my Dolce & Gabbana card holder, which you guys have seen. This just has some business cards, loyalty cards, points cards, and then Dave & Buster's cards in the back. Oh. And then I have a hair scrunchie, my charging power bank and cable. I don't know what this is. Oh, so this is from European Wax Center, my receipt. This is a dinner receipt, and then this is from my son's school. It's just a milk carton. And then I have a bunch of receipts. You can tell I haven't cleaned this out. So I have this receipt. What is this receipt? This Neiman Marcus receipt. Business cards right here. And then what is this? Oh, and this is another receipt from Neiman Marcus. I have a hand lotion, a tissue Kleenex, and this is what I use as my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton key clay and the Damier bin, and this is just has our insurance information, debit card, credit card, and my ID. And then I have my keys, which I'm actually on the hunt for a key clay, maybe. We'll see. Not a key clay, 6-string key holder, which is also a key clay. And then I have just a penny and this really cute Kat Von D mini travel lipstick in the color Misfit. It's a really pretty dark berry red. So cute. But yeah, that's everything that's inside. I actually can fit more than that. I could probably fit sunglasses. You can fit a full-size wallet in here because it is 10 inches. And I can fit actually a water bottle in here if I wanted to. I get asked if the chains are heavy. For me personally, I don't think that they're heavy, even with items inside. This hand chain is not heavy, but this is definitely the heaviest part. Also because it has leather pieces on it, which is this leather break right here. But that's a good thing because you don't want something super light that doesn't feel substantial at all. You want to feel what you're paying for. So I need to go bring this into the store because, oh my gosh, you guys, I noticed a popped stitch right here. You guys see that? Ugh, that's so annoying. But my personal shopper said that you can just take it to Chanel and they would be able to fix it, which I hope they can, because I don't want that to get any worse than what it is. There's this fraying stitch right here also. I don't know if you guys would be able to see. And those are the only things that I've seen so far. The leather is buttery soft. It's very durable. I mean, I don't have really long nails, but I have scratched this with my ring, with my fingers. The corners are still good, which they better be good for the amount I paid for. And the bottom is really good. I love it so much. The front clasp has been, you know, there's a few scratch marks on it, but that's because like if I have it on and like I open it and then I try to close it, like it starts hitting that part, the inside part of the closure, but it still looks good. I mean, doesn't bother me much because I know that with wear and tear and all that, because it is aged hardware, it's fine. Yeah, baby. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.